You ready, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay, number 1. Gikinahanglan ba nimo ang pagmahal sa imong mga ginikanan? Ngano man? Do you need the love of your parents?
Yes,
Why?
because I need the love of my parents. I'm still a kid. I need the love of my parents and the care of my parents.
Okay. Okay, number 2. Unsa kaha ang imong mabuhat aron mahalon usab ka sa imong ginikanan? What will you do so that your parents will love you back?
I
You will do
something. I will do work hard, loving my parents, be a good girl.
That's all?
Yeah.
How about studying?
And also study hard.
Okay. Number 3. Gikinahanglan ba nimo ang pagkaon aron mo dako ka nga himsog? Ngano man? Is it necessary to eat food so that you will grow up healthy?
Yes,
Why?
because my body needs healthy food.
Okay, very good. Okay, number 4. Unsa man nga mga pagkaon ang makaayo sa atong lawas? What are the types of foods that will make our body healthy?
The types of foods,
Yes.
fruits, vegetables, and also milk and sabaw and malunggay and also water and that's all.
Wow, very good. Okay, number 5. Gikinahanglan ba nimo mo eskwela aron do na kay matun-an? Ngano man? Do you need to study so that you can learn?
Yes,
Why?
because I need to study. I need the future. I want to be a doctor and a teacher.
Wow, that's a lot, huh? So that's why you need to study hard. You need to
In the
go to
future.
school because in the future you want to be a
Doctor and a teacher.
wow. Okay. Number 6. Unsa kaha ang mahitabo kung ang bata dili makaeskwela? What will happen if a child will not study?
Yes. What happened to
To the child?
to not study?
Yes.
He changed his mind to go back in school. Dugay kayo go back in school. Maka-fail. Dagan fail.
Ma-fail. Siya ma-fail. Fail.
Nga ng size.
Okay, so you have to study hard, go to school so that you won't fail. Okay? Okay, number 7. Gikinahanglan ba nimo ang pagdula or ehersisyo aron mabaskog? Ngano man? Do you need to exercise to become healthy?
Yes.
Why?
Because I need my body needs exercise.
Okay, very good. Unsa man ang ganahan nimo nga dula? What are the types of exercise or games you want to do or you want to play?
Types of games.
Yes.
I want to Zumba with my brother. I want to play tag with my brother. I want to play hide and seek with my brother.
Okay. So, last but not the least, number 9. Unsa pa man ang imong gikinahanglan? What are the things you still need?
I need a table, a drawer, and a pencil, and also a book, a notebook, and a chair.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Yay!